Timer quirks and auto shut-off on your Ninja double oven? If you've ever wondered why your timer acts differently, or why the oven shuts down after sitting, here's what's really going on, so you don't lose track of a cook. Quirk 1. Timers don't run until preheat is finished. When you press start, the display shows preheat. The timer won't begin counting down until the oven is fully hot. Plan for that extra warm-up time if you need precision. Quirk 2. Top and bottom ovens count independently. Each cavity has its own timer. If you start both at once, the displays will count down separately. Use Smart Finish if you want both ovens to end together. Quirk 3. Automatic standby after 10 minutes. If you don't press anything for 10 minutes, the oven shuts off and goes into standby. That's normal, and it saves power. Press power once to wake it again. Tip: stage your flips and checks. Since the timer only tracks active cook time, plan flips or basting while the countdown is running. Wear long oven mitts and move quickly. I've linked the heat-resistant mitts I use in the description. Quirk 4. Auto shut-off at the end of cooking. When the timer hits 0, the oven beeps, shows end, and shuts off the heaters automatically. The cooling fan may keep running until the oven drops below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If this helped you understand the timers and auto shut-off, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a pair of long oven mitts, I've linked the ones I use below. They keep your arms safe while you work fast during checks. Thanks for watching, and don't let time slip away.